Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Tuesday, the 30th of November, 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets, economics and the world of business today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 closed the day up 0.2% as cooler heads prevailed around the threat of the Omicron variant of the coronavirus. It was the end of the month, and for the period, the S&P ASX 200 finished down just under 1%. Rumours that Beijing may lift production caps at China's steel mills triggered a surge in the price of iron ore today. BHP's share price responded up 2%, but Fortescue fell 3.4% and Rio was down 2%. Westpac's share price fell 2% after the corporate regulator said it was running 6 cases against the bank, alleging widespread compliance failures. The retailers were also mixed, with Woolworths up sharply and Wesfarmers down more than 2%. Travel stocks all did better today, with Webjet and Corporate Travel Management both around 5% higher. That follows sharp sell-offs on Monday as a result of the Omicron fears. The gold diggers also fell, with St Barbara and Perseus Mining both down more than 4%. It was a tough day for newly listed Biomi Australia. The environmental group raised $8 million, but fell more than 40% on day one. It was also a bad day for Newey, which listed a year ago. It warned of shortfalls in customer revenue and a mounting toll of legal bills. Its share price fell more than 13% to $2.22. Remember, it debuted last December at $8.50. AMP's new boss, Alexis George, is speaking today. She outlined her strategy for the one-time blue chip company. That triggered a 3% rise in its share price. Collins Foods, which owns KFC, reported strong results, particularly in its European business, triggering a 13% rise in its share price. The Financial Review is reporting today that at least 2 big institutional investors in Oil Search will vote against the merger with Santos at next week's poll, arguing the deal doesn't do enough for Oil Search shareholders. There was plenty of economic news out today. Building approvals fell almost 13% in October, much more than anyone expected. The main reason was a tumble in apartment approvals. Reserve Bank credit data was also out. That showed growth in housing and business credit, though personal credit was flat. And finally, the September quarter trade data showed an increase in the current account surplus to almost $24 billion. That's a new record. Just recapping Wall Street, all the major indices ended the day sharply higher. The Aussie dollar is trading around 71.4 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Tuesday, the 30th of November, 2021. Join Michael Thompson and I tomorrow morning for the Wednesday edition of Fear and Greed. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.